Good morning, 6th class. We are starting new chapter, chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Third question is exercise 5.1. Draw any line segment AB. Take any point C line in between A and B. ठीक है? Measure the lengths of AB, BC and AC. And you have to tell is AB is equal to AC plus CB. First he is saying draw any line segment AB. So with help of scale, you will draw here line segment AB of 6 centimeter. ठीक है, you can take any length. ठीक है, 8, 10, 12, you can take any length. I am taking here 6 centimeter. Now he is saying take any point C lying in between. In between AB you have to put point C. अब देखिए, between means half of AB. So what is the half of 6? Okay. ठीक है, we take point C on AB. You can take this C point anywhere. This I am taking here, that is C point. ठीक है. Now he is saying measure the lengths of AB, BC and AC. Now with help of scale, measure the length of AB. AB is 6 centimeter. Now length of BC, measure this BC. ठीक है, suppose it is 4 centimeter. ठीक है, suppose it is 4 centimeter. Now measure AC. Suppose AC is 2 centimeter. ठीक है. Now in next line he is saying is AB is equal to AC plus CB. AB is equal to AC plus CB. So we will put values in this. What is the measurement of AB? 6 centimeter. So instead of AB you will put here 6 equal. What is AC? AC is 2 centimeter. Put 2 here. What is CB? CB and BC are same. CB is 4 centimeter. Put here 4. Now add this 2 plus 4 6. So 6 is equal to 6. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes, you will write AB is equal to AC plus CB. You can do this question with help of divisor also. Okay, with help of divider also. Divider and scale. And you can do this question with help of scale also. ठीक है? You can use compass also in this question. Fourth question is, if A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB is 5 cm, BC is 3 cm and AC is 8 cm, which one of them lie between the other two? So with help of scale, first of all you will draw. He is saying if A, B, C are 3 points on a line. ठीक है? So here you will draw AB 5 cm. First of all draw a line. He is saying that ABC 3 points on a line. Draw one line. Now give name. This is you don't give name. Now take one point here. ठीक है? That is A. Now he is saying AB is 5 centimeter. Now with help of scale or with help of compass, you put here AB 5 centimeter. ठीक है? 5 centimeter AB. Then BC is 3 centimeter. It means from B, now you have to measure 3 centimeter. So BC 3 centimeter and AC 8 centimeter. Now he is saying AC is 8 centimeter. Yes, AC is 8 centimeter because 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 centimeter. So AC is 8 centimeter. So he is saying which one of them lies between the other two? Yes, B lies between A and C. So you will write B lies between A and B. This is the answer. Okay. sorry, C. And how you can do this question with compass? देखो, put scale, just wait. ठीक है, how you will use compass? देखो, keep scale here. If you want 5 AB, if you draw here AB 5 centimeter, put compass needle here and pencil on top of pencil on 5. So this is the 5. Now with this measurement, put needle here and draw an arc of 5 centimeter here. So it will be B, that is the 5 centimeters. ठीक है, so you can use compass also in this question. Fifth question, verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. You have to show that this D is the midpoint of AG. Now if you have to show that this point is the midpoint of AG, तो this AD should be equal to DG, है ना? If AD is equal to DG, then D is the midpoint of AG. Now we will measure it. What is the measurement of AD? देखो, how we will measure? Like this. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. And this is also 1 centimeter. So AD, what is the length of AD? That is 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter. Now we will check the length of DZ. ठीक है, DZ. So from D is 1 centimeter. EF is also 1 centimeter. And FG also 1 centimeter. ठीक है, so there are also 1 centimeter, 3 times 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So it is 3 centimeter. Now AD is equal to DZ, है ना? Both are of 3 centimeter. ठीक है, तो AD is equal to DZ. It means D is the midpoint of AG. So D is the midpoint of AG. This is the answer. Okay, D is the midpoint of AG, and also they lie on the straight line. So D will be the midpoint of AG because they all points are lying on the straight line. Sixth question, if B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where ABCD lie on a straight line, so say YAB is equal to CD. तो आपको बताना है YAB is equal to CD. ABCD के equal क्यों है? He is saying B is the midpoint of AC. First of all, we will do this part. Draw one AC line, and he is saying B is the midpoint of AC. Take B in between. ठीक है? B is the midpoint of AC. So it means AB is equal to BC because B is the midpoint of AC. So AB is equal to BC. Now in next line he is saying C is the midpoint of BD. C is the midpoint of BD. So B is there. So we will increase this line and D point will come here. Now C is the midpoint of BD. So it means BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD. ठीक है? So here you will write B is midpoint of AC and C is midpoint of BD. ठीक है? B is the midpoint of AC, so AB is equal to BC. This is equation 1. And C is the midpoint of BD, so BC is equal to CD. This is equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2. These are two equations. We will compare it. देखो, In both equation, AB is equal to BC and CD is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC and CD is also equal to BC. So BC are common. If AB is equal to BC, CD is equal to BC, it means AB and CD both are equal to each other. So AB is equal to CD. I am giving you one example like this. मान लीजिए, let's assume that AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 2 centimeter and CD is equal to any number. ठीक है, 3 centimeter. Don't take example. ठीक है, we will do like this only. So BC are common, so AB will be equal to CD. This you have to prove. AB is equal to CD. So you will write here, hence prove.